Welcome to a new season of Battle Cat. This is gonna be the first new episode, guys. So we are now going to play Battle Cat, and I hope we get an Uber Rare today. Okay. Looking good. So we are now going to play Battle Cat, Episode 1. Oh, that was a waste. So guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll do episode 2. If this video gets 50 likes, I will do another video. If it doesn't, then let's just stop doing the series. So guys, as you can see here, you see that we are winners! We've got 30 castles. More top tickets. Okay, we just got a lot of stuff, guys. Can't buy anything. Looks like we got a new character. One upgrade. I can't upgrade anything now, guys. So I can now get some speed up. So we are on. So this is our second. We are on our second place, guys, and we are about to come off the floor with them. And Cat. It's Pink Cat. Yeah, his name is Pink Cat. Sorry if I got that name wrong, but I fixed it with my own correction. As you can see, we are winning once again! I love being a YouTuber. I'm gonna watch my video. I'm gonna watch it and see if this video is any good, and then I'm gonna post it on YouTube. On YouTube, I'm gonna have to do that. Now we're about to fight China. That was a total waste, even though I just upgraded it. Oh wait, I didn't upgrade the range, guys, so that's a total waste. And it won't be a waste for Tank Cat. And I'm not gonna throw them. See you, bye, you losers! Suckers! Suckers! Victory shot! Okay. Send out one pack just to hold them one. Actually, we'll send out two. No, three. Three heads out better than one. And the fire. That was a total waste again. I need to stop wasting that. Damn, just waste it. Next time I wait until they come home, and the kids are back. Good job! And we have our XP. Now we'll level up X-Cat. These girls are better than mine. Down to the ground. Yeah, didn't miss this time. We're going down in a big way. You're so not better than me. Booyah, shaka, shaka. And the rip tip with that pattern. Whichever one you prefer, guys. And looking at our fourth battle. No, I don't know. I don't know what number of battle it is, but let's check the board. We go down this bag. I said you go. I said. We're going down this bag. This bag. Okay. So that's it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it here. See, guys, I'm not gonna end it here right yet, but as soon as I get done with this video, I'm ending it. As soon as I get done, guys, I'm gonna end the video and I'll be done. So I'm gonna end it here, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.